In today's tutorial, we will focus on how to hide the status and navigation bars on screenshots taken with your Samsung Galaxy phone. Many users want their screenshots to look more professional and cleaner without distracting information that usually appears at the top or bottom of the screen. In this guide, I will walk you through simple steps that will help you achieve that goal. Here's what you need to do. First, let's take a screenshot and then open it. When you open it, you'll notice that at the top of the screen there is a status bar and at the bottom there is a navigation bar that is not hidden. To hide it, first exit the screenshot and then open the settings. Once you are in settings, scroll down, find the Advanced Features option, and tap on it. Immediately after you open it, find the option called Screenshots and Screen Recordings and tap on it. Now tap the switch next to the option to hide the status and navigation bars to enable it. Once you have done that, take another screenshot and then open it. You will see that the status bar at the top of the screen is hidden, as well as the navigation bar at the bottom. And that would be all, friends. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. See you very soon, and thank you so much for watching.